The farmer's morning routine, told in cinematic style, and how it builds million-dollar mindsets. Before the sun even peeks over the horizon, there's a sound most entrepreneurs never hear. It's not the buzz of an alarm clock, not the chime of a phone notification. This is der sign diri the duran dan rr bit shide sa duri surin durin. The durin durin. Saw Thurim's slow rumble of a tractor engine breaking the silence of dawn. And right there, in that misty golden hour, is a secret rhythm. A routine that's been quietly creating millionaires long before Wi-Fi, smartphones, and stock tickers. Because a farmer's morning routine, it's not just about tending to the land, it's a masterclass in discipline, strategy, and wealth creation. Today we're diving deep into the farmer's morning routine, told in cinematic style, and revealing how these timeless habits translate into massive profits and entrepreneurial success. Stick around because these lessons don't just grow crops, they grow empires. The camera fades into a cold, misty horizon. A coffee mug steams beside a weathered hand reaching for worn boots. The world sleeps, but this man is already awake, not because he has to be, but because he chooses to be. That's the first lesson. The early hours are the most profitable hours. Farmers know something entrepreneurs often forget: control the morning, and you control the day. Between 4:30 and 7:30 a.m., there are no distractions, no noise, just clarity and focus. Now here's the profit mindset. Imagine using those quiet hours to launch a digital brand, trade commodities, flip equipment online, or plan your week's income strategy. Farmers who use this time for both physical work and financial planning can easily see a 10 to 20% higher yearly yield, translating to $50,000, $150,000 more annually on large operations. That's the power of rising early. You're not just ahead of the day, you're ahead of the competition. The camera pans wide, boots crunching on frosted grass, the sky slowly turning orange. Every morning, a farmer walks his land, scanning, studying, listening. To the untrained eye, it's just a stroll, but in truth, it's market research at its purest form. He's checking soil, animals, air, data points of a living business. Now here's where the entrepreneur's brain should light up. This ritual is directly transferable to any business. The habit of daily observation, tracking details, spotting small inefficiencies, can turn minor tweaks into major profits. For example, a farmer who identifies early pest signs can save $10,000, $20,000 in crop loss. Likewise, a business owner who reviews metrics every morning might prevent a $50,000 marketing mistake. The rule: observe before you act. The profits are in the patterns. Close up, grease-stained gloves wiping down a tractor. The engine hums to life under a pale sky. Most people see a tractor as a cost, but a smart farmer sees it as a profit center. That morning check isn't just maintenance, it's preparation for monetization. How? Farmers are now transforming their machines into multiple revenue streams. Renting tractors to construction crews, $500, $1,000 per day. Offering tractor experience tours to tourists, $200 per hour sessions. Filming short morning grind videos for YouTube or TikTok. $3,000, $5,000 month in ad and brand revenue. That single tractor, once just a tool for crops, now becomes a six-figure income machine with creativity and consistency. Every morning, as the farmer turns that key, he's also turning potential into profit. The barn door creaks open, chickens stir, cows lift their heads. The soundtrack swells with calm purpose. This isn't just animal care, it's consistency in action, and consistency equals profit. Farmers who track their feeding and growth schedules, like true data-driven entrepreneurs, can boost yield, milk output, or egg production by up to 30%. That's not small change. For a mid-sized operation, that could mean $40,000, $100,000 more per year. But here's the twist. Some modern farmers take it digital. They're streaming these routines on TikTok and YouTube, building loyal audiences who pay for merch, sponsorships, and even online farm courses. What was once just a daily feeding now becomes a monetized morning show.
Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too.
The sun's now high enough to hit the fields. The farmer leans on his truck, scrolling through market prices on his phone. Wheat, corn, soy, fuel. But here's what separates an average farmer from a wealthy one. strategy before sweat. While some dive straight into labor, the modern farmer checks data, looks for trends, and plays the market like a Wall Street pro. He's not just growing, he's trading, flipping, and arbitraging. Some farmers now earn $20,000, $50,000 a year simply by timing sales or leasing future harvests at higher market rates. Others invest in ag-tech stocks, equipment futures, or sell carbon credits. Yes, carbon credits. That's the hidden profit layer of the farmer's morning, turning knowledge into leverage. Steam rises from a chipped mug as the day's first break arrives. This quiet pause isn't laziness, it's reflection. It's where the best ideas often surface. New business models, improvements, side hustles. Many modern farmers use this time for digital planning, posting social media content, checking online store orders, or reviewing partnerships. Selling branded local goods online. $2,000, $10,000 month offering online mentorship in agribusiness. $5,000, $15,000 month building a farmer's lifestyle brand through YouTube. 6 figures yearly. The farmer's coffee break? It's not downtime, it's incubation time, and the ROI on that mental clarity is immeasurable. By 9 a.m., the work is full swing, machines moving, animals fed, plans executed, but what you're seeing isn't chaos, it's systems. The farmer doesn't wake up and wing it. Every task has order, sequence, and scalability, the same structure that turns a small idea into a multi-million-dollar business. Farmers who automate tasks, like irrigation, feeding, or accounting, save 5 to 10 hours per week and cut costs by up to 20%. That's pure efficiency profit. And that same thinking builds empires online. When you systemize, you multiply. Automation isn't just for Silicon Valley, it's born in the fields. Now here's where things get exciting. While many think a farmer's day is just about the land, the modern farmer builds passive income alongside his chores. Some of the most creative examples include leasing barn space for local creators or small businesses, $500, $2,000 a month. Installing a solar array on unused land, $20,000, $40,000 a year in power sales. Hosting weekend farm-to-table dinners, $1,000 plus per event. Selling morning routine NFTs or photo prints, yes, farmers are doing this. $500, $5,000 per collection. Each side hustle transforms a simple morning into an empire of income. And it all starts with that first breath of dawn and the mindset that says, every tool, every task, every moment can make me money. After hours of motion, there's a pause. The farmer stands, wipes his brow, and looks at what he's built. That stillness isn't wasted time, it's perspective. Entrepreneurs often chase speed, but farmers understand the rhythm of results. There's a time for planting, and a time for patience. That balance, action mixed with reflection, is what keeps them grounded, profitable, and peaceful. Because wealth without peace, that's not success. It's slavery in disguise. And this perspective is why many farmers stay financially free. They know when to move, and when to wait. As the morning fades into afternoon, tools are cleaned, equipment checked, logs updated. That final act of preparation is the bridge between consistency and compound growth, because here's the real key. Every system that's maintained in the evening compounds profit by morning. Whether it's clean gear, sharp tools, or a balanced schedule, this discipline creates scalability. And scalable systems make 6- and 7-figure results feel effortless. The average disciplined farmer saves 10 to 15% in yearly costs just by ending each day prepared for the next. That's the power of consistency. No wasted motion, no lost money. The sun sets across golden fields. The camera pans out as the farmer leans against his truck, watching what he's built. Here's what most people don't realize. This isn't just a day's end. It's a cycle of wealth, humility, and growth repeating every sunrise. Every morning the farmer reinvests in his greatest assets: time, tools, and mindset. And that's what separates dreamers from doers, and doers from empire builders. Because behind every massive agribusiness, every rural millionaire, every online success story rooted in grit, there's a routine, a cinematic, consistent rhythm that never fails. Wake up, work hard, reflect, repeat. That's how the world's most grounded entrepreneurs quietly build wealth. Not with luck, but with legacy. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.